How to fix Instagram auto back problem or crash problem. Let's get started. First of all, you need to update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you have to check the device storage. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. Temporary glitches in the system may affect app performance. Restarting your phone refreshes the system processes. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then navigate to the Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram, and then install it. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Also, you'll need to check your internet connection. Make sure you have strong and stable internet connection. Also, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi, and cellular data. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is check Instagram server status. For that, you can navigate to the website like Down Detector. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. As a last resort, you can report the problem to the Instagram. For that, launch your Instagram. Navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Click on the option Help. Click on Report a problem. Click on Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Instagram autoback and crash issues. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.